Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel PlayLearn Family. Which country hosts International Conference of Agricultural Economists? Answer: India. India hosts the 32nd International Conference of Agricultural Economists at the Pusa Institute, New Delhi, from 2 to 7th August 2024, after 66 years since it last hosted in 1958. The conference, held every 3 years, is organized by the International Association of Agricultural Economists in collaboration with various Indian and international agricultural and economic organizations. What type of navigation system is Advanced Land Navigation System, ALNS, MK2, recently mentioned in news? Answer: Ring Laser Gyro, RLG, based navigation system. The Indian Army has approved the procurement of the Advanced Land Navigation System, ALNS, MK2 for its armored fighting vehicles, AFVs. This ring laser gyro-based system offers inertial, GPS, and hybrid navigation modes and is designed to be spoof-proof with high encryption. It is compatible with Indian and global navigation systems and defense series maps, ensuring high accuracy. The system will be procured from Bharat Electronics Limited under the Buy Indian IDDM category. Ladli Behna scheme is launched by which state? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh government will provide gas cylinders at a subsidized rate of 450 rupee per year for beneficiaries of the Ladli Behna scheme, focusing on women, especially those under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, PMUY. Additionally, beneficiaries will receive 250 rupees for the Rakhi festival. The central government also offers a targeted subsidy of 300 rupee per 14.2 kilograms LPG cylinder for PMUY beneficiaries. Indian Coast Guard, ICG, launched Suvidha software version 1.0 in which city? Answer: Visakhapatnam. The Indian Coast Guard, ICG, launched Suvidha software version 1.0 at its first annual operational sea training conference in Visakhapatnam. This software aims to improve training protocols across ICG platforms. Deputy Director General Anupam Rai emphasized excellence and adaptability. Senior officers discussed best practices and strategies for maritime security, highlighting ICG's dedication to innovation and operational training excellence. Where was the 52 ND Conference of Governors held? Answer: New Delhi. On 2nd August 2024, President Draupadi Murmu presided over the 52nd Conference of Governors at Rashtrapati Bhavan, her first time leading the event. The conference, attended by key leaders like Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Home Minister Amit Shah, also included state governors, lieutenant governors, and administrators of union territories. The two-day event featured participation from Niti Aayog officials and senior government members. The Conference of Governors, first held in 1949, addresses governance and administrative issues in India. Sharvathi Pumped Storage Hydroelectric Plant is built on which river? Answer: Karnataka. The Central Electricity Authority has approved 2 new hydro-pumped storage plants in India. The 2000 megawatts Sharvathi hydro-pumped storage plant in Karnataka will use the Talkalle and Jerusopa dams, aiming to address the state's power issues. Developed by KPCL and Megha Engineering, it's the largest of its kind in India. The 600 megawatts Upper Indravati pumped storage plant in Odisha will utilize the Upper Indravati reservoir's released water, with construction by Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited. Both projects require Central Electricity Authority approval as per the Electricity Act of 2003. What is surrogate advertising? Answer: An advertisement that duplicates the brand image of one product to promote another product of the same brand. The Health Ministry has asked the Sports Authority of India, SAI, and the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, to stop surrogate advertising of tobacco and alcohol products by sportspersons. Surrogate advertising uses the brand image of one product to promote another, often due to legal restrictions on advertising the original product. Brands like liquor and tobacco companies use this method to subtly promote their products by advertising similar or different items under the same brand name. This helps maintain brand recognition and legally spread their message, a process known as brand extension. India hosted 14th India-Vietnam Defence Policy Dialogue in which city? Answer: New Delhi. India hosted the 14th India-Vietnam Defence Policy Dialogue in New Delhi on 1 August 2024. The meeting aimed to strengthen bilateral defence ties and coincided with Vietnamese Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinha's visit. It was co-chaired by Indian Defence Secretary Giridhar Armane and Vietnam's Deputy Minister of National Defence, Hong Xuyen Chien. Both sides reviewed cooperation areas and signed a letter of intent to enhance training exchanges. What is INS Shalki? Answer: Diesel-electric submarine. The Indian naval submarine INS Shalki, the first submarine built in India, arrived in Colombo for a two-day visit. This Shishumar-class diesel-electric submarine, commissioned in 1992, was constructed by Mazgaon Dock Limited in Mumbai. It is 64.4 m long, carries 40 people, and has a displacement of 1450 to 1850 tons. Its speed ranges from 11 knots surface to 22 knots submerged, with a range of 8,000 nautical miles. Which is the nodal ministry of Bharatiya Beej Sahkari Samiti Limited, BBSSL? Answer: Ministry of Cooperation. The Union Minister of Cooperation informed Rajya Sabha about Bharatiya Beej Sahkari Samiti Limited, BBSSL, established under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act, 2002. Promoted by IFFCO, CRIBCO, NAFT, NDDB, and NCDC, it has an initial capital of 250 crore rupees and an authorized capital of 500 crore rupees. BBSSL focuses on producing, procuring, and distributing quality seeds to improve crop yield and promote indigenous seeds, with the Ministry of Cooperation as the nodal agency. Please subscribe for my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment for more videos. Thank you for watching.